rainbow. There is a rainbow in the sky.
Mag-refrain tayo ng kain ng chicken kung gagaling yung paa mo. I mean, kontian, hindi katulad ng dati na chicken.
Ayan, videohan ko. Ang ganda ng rainbow.
Aliyah knows it. How many colors is the rainbow got?
Alam niya.
Alam niya yun.
Mini-mention niya yun.
Oo, nag-voice lesson na siya eh. Tsaka piano lesson.
Aba, tuturuan ko din siya. There is a rainbow in the sky. There is a rainbow after the rain.
There's always a rainbow after the rain.
Wow. Totoo naman.